Hello everybody, Aki here and welcome back to Crosscode. Last time we fought a mysterious being like a cult something, but for now we will explore the Rhombus Square and talk to many people as much as possible for gathering information about it. So right now let's see. Congratulations on reaching the third stage of Newcomers Bridge. You have just arrived at the final waiting area. You can take a break here and enjoy the view. Once you are ready, proceed to the teleporter at the other end of this area to enter the final stage. Most of these players here should be newcomers just like you. Veterans usually skip this part, obviously. Come on, there's no need to be afraid. You know I can't deal with heights. It's all just a game, there's no danger, you know. I know, it just feels so real. Just give me some time, okay? Alright. Dang, I can barely see a thing. You should totally choose a short avatar, they said. It'd be so cute, they said. Just great. You're in the same boat, huh? I don't think. Dear Seekers, you are about to enter the final stage of Newcomers Bridge. You will be confronted with a multitude of puzzles and combat scenarios. Make sure all the skills you have learned in the previous stages. May expect your skill set to be further expanded over the course of the final stage. As a reward, passing Newcomers Bridge, you will be granted access to the mainland. Combat situations. In previous stages, expect your skill set to be expanded over the course of the final stage. Okay. Oh! Pardon, didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Bonjour. Frenchy, eh? You're new here too. But I have not noticed you up here before. Oh, does this mean you caught up after me? Huh? Must very quickly with the tutorials that I got. But I got the hang of it now. You will not beat me on the last tutorial stage. No. Let's meet at the end. I will be waiting. Au revoir. Ah! Very competitive this one. Explore some ocean as far as the eye can see. Now that we're in this distant moon, makes you wonder what kind of sea life could find down there. Hell yeah, you think we can just jump down into the water with our avatar and explore? More like explode. I heard avatars are not all water resistant. Ooh. What the hell, dude? I forgot to talk to this. What can I do? Oh, they added a welcome sign. Very hospitable. Are you looking for that redhead pentafist from before? Well, I'm afraid you will not find her here. You see, each player is placed into a separate instance of these rooms. You will find plenty of puzzles ahead. You really would not want other players to interfere 30 fair around here. So it is all about who will be fastest by themselves, right? Alright, Leia, I will be gone for a couple of minutes. I will contact Jet and Carla and try to investigate that blue individual. I am sure we will be fine by yourself. See you later. I really have to work on your vocabulary. Yeah. Of course. Oh, okay, that was stupid. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh man, what should I do here? Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm Shaya. Cheyenne. What should I do here? Oh Lord. So what is the right thing to do here? Okay. No. Other side. Okay. Oh man. Oh, I hate this. What is this? What is this module? Quick menu activated. What? Like what? Oh, this. Consume items, open map, expand. Sandwich. Green leaf tea. Okay. Oh, what should I get now, huh? Oh. Okay. Oh, 2 doors. Okay. There we go. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wait, let me check first on the previous one. Okay. Wait. Okay. There you go. Oh. There are many ways. Oh, that was almost got killed there. Ooh-wee. Okay, no doors left. Here it is. Oh! Okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Okay, that was stupid. Oh. Eh. Oh, okay. Oh. There you go. Dead. Okay. Thank you. I am back. Hi. Greetings from Jet and Carla. Everything is back to normal on the MS Solar. There are no traces left of that blue individual. I also tried to find some information about him, but there is nothing. We can be pretty certain that he is not connected to the official game. So which means he's a admin of sorts or a developer or executive of the game that created this world. I just cannot imagine a regular player living cross worlds and going on a rampage like this. Something very strange is going on here, of course. That trope again. Not to mention that he recognizes you. Your memory might in fact contain some answers to all of his. Anyway, there's no need to worry about this right now. Our goal is simply to play crosswords. Oh, hi, excuse me. And I see you made a lot of progress already. So onwards. Another module. Alright. Character menu activated. Oh. Wait. Oh. Okay, you're gonna be serious though. Okay, belt. Oh. Wait, where's the... Are you... There you go. Wait. Okay, equipment. Blade. Belt. Boots. Okay, nice. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't have some commentary right now. I am very focused on the game. I hope I'm not like this when I played Hyper Drift. Nice, level up. You already reached level 3. That is strange. I thought you were supposed to reach level 2 at this point. I suppose they may have added more enemies. Alright. The enemies start to give EXP at this point. You're... Oh, okay. Wait. Okay. Oh, okay. Nope. Okay. 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 Oh, what the hell? Okay. Nice. Okay. Oh man, I need to take a bath. Incoming. Boss. Okay, boss. Wow. Consume. Ow! Okay, oof. Ouch. Okay. I know. That was stupid, I forgot. Okay. Woo! Holy! Oh! Okay. I turn on that? Die! $250. Nice. Level 4. Immediately. Nice. Nice work. You did great. Onwards. Well, I should have the controller so I can play it without worrying. Ready for one big upgrade. Oh, what is this module? circuit activated. Tapos na. Wait, what? Oh! Okay, see. My circuit. Okay. Okay. Oh. SP points. Sorry. Oh, stupid. Nice. Leia, please wait a second. I have a little upgrade for you as well. I finally managed to add another word to your vocabulary. Well, you know how it is. No shiny effects from me. Just the upgrade. There goes. New word. Leia. Leia. I think you will need this one since I will not be able to introduce you to other people anymore. Leia, hi. Hi, Leia. Hi, Leia. Hi. Do not look at me like that. I know it takes a long time to add these words. It is a very involved process actually. I need manually to extend your thought control model, essentially modifying a statistically generated code base by hand. Yes, it is very technical. The technology to control avatars is well complicated, and that is an understatement. Anyway, the second word is done. I will work on the next one right away. Leia. She really loves that name, huh? Oh. There you go. I'm back. Sorry, it stopped the recording. Hi. I told you I would be first. Hi. We. But wasn't that fun? I was very surprised by that boss at the end. Pardon, I didn't even introduce myself. Xiaomo. I am Emily. Okay. Nickname Emily Nator. Oh, I know it's genius, right? So, what's your name? Leia. Leia, nice to meet you. So, are you ready to take the sky rails? Wait, what? Ow! I wish we could already explore the city itself, but no. Didn't you know the sky rail will take you straight to the cross central? From there, you'll be transported to the mainland. You will only be able to enter Rhombus Square much later. It sucks, I know. You over there? Yes, you, the blue-haired spearmancer. Hi. Before, you just appeared out of nowhere, suspicious. And what do I see now? You are at level 4. And this is unheard of. I'm forced to assume you, young lady, have been cheating. What? Miss you. Going straight for the accusations? How can you be so sure about it? Just because you are stuck at level 3 doesn't mean impossible. No player on record has reached level 4 at this point. Young lady, surely I don't need to explain to you the faults of such actions. Cheating will never pay off in the long run. Is that all you have to say? Oh dear, what is going on here? Jorn, I have exposed this cheater here, and now you're lecturing her. guess about the wrongness of her actions? How about no? What? I'll just go ahead and pretend I don't know. Come on! Apologies for my friend's behavior. He sometimes pretend to be a moderator. He is not. No, no problem. Young lady, I'll let you off this time. Reflect on your actions. Monju, what was the deal with him? I hope we don't meet players like this around here too often. Anyway, let's go on. I want to finally reach Rookie Harbor. You can come with me if you want to. Yes. Trebian, let's go. Whoa, my heart just stopped there for a second. That was so close. It is all because you collected those extra XP from that crab boss. I should have noticed this earlier. Sorry. What the hell? No. Okay, there's seekers. You are now entering the mainland Shadun. You can take the Skyrays from here to reach Cross Central, our central interpretation hub. Note that as new seekers, you are not yet permitted to enter the city of Rombo Square. Such permission will be granted once you've made sufficient progress along the track of the ancients. Okay. Excuse me. Hi. You look puzzled. Do you want to know about the Track of the Ancients? Yes. The Track of the Ancients is an ancient assessment system based on a highly advanced technology. As seekers, it is your task to walk the track and discover all the secrets as it holds. Once you reach Rookie Harbor, you can attend the introductory briefing to learn more about it. Okay, can I talk to you? I mean, go ahead, just take any of those Skyrim terminals. Let's talk to those Skyrail terminals will bring you to the Cross Central. You can take any one of them. They'll all go to the same place. Thank you. Oh, this city looks huge. Yeah, they won't let you mention that just say, alright. Wow, this city looks huge, so clean and shiny. Yeah, that you feel it until I'm much later. That just say, I know, right? What is this thing? Oh, that was fun. Can't wait to reach to reach the mainland. Oh, okay, balcony. There's a control central. This is the central interpretation of this world. From here only, in here you will be able to. Note that you recruits will only be able to travel to Rookie Harbor. Stations. Okay. Hi. You look puzzled. Ah, okay. It's same. Well then. Dear seekers, welcome to Cross Central. This is the central position of this world. From here, you will be able to quickly travel to a location you have reached on the mainland. Note that new recruits will only be travel to Harbor first. We'll visit several locations as you travel along the accommodations. Once you reach the new major location on the center, travel quick. Okay. Those spoiler advisory pieces is doing the same thing over and over again. Yeah, you know that those NPCs are trying to present. Are you serious? Yeah, it's hard to tell at the beginning, but you will notice eventually. Their interactions with players are somewhat limited. Man, we came pretty far with AI research, haven't we? Yeah. Wait, hi. Hey there. Can we help you? Um, are you wondering about the Turing test? Turing test? Oh, you're curious one. I like that. The Turing test is quite simple. You have two people writing each other via text. The twist of one of them is actually a machine. If the actual person can tell from the conversation that the other person is a machine, you fail the Turing test. It's difficult because it's not just about simulating natural language. The machine needs to have memory, general knowledge, and many other things to properly respond like a human being would. Oh, thank you for the advice. Almost there. Let's explore around first. Wala cross center. Oh man, by you can quickly reach all of Crosswords from here. Though there should only be one destination for us newbies, Rocky Harbor. Yeah, of course. Bye. Cross Central. Only this way. Yeah. Oh. How to use landmarks for fast travel. Show. Okay. And teleport landmarks by selecting the within the map menu. World map. You can also switch to the world map view. You can move to other areas you visited before. Fantastic. Right at the sea, just like they said. The city should be right up again. Go, go. Go, go, go. Let's talk to this. Hey, blue-haired girl. Hi. Crossroads is full of bazaar and cool things. I hope you enjoy your stay and never give up. Oh, thank you for that sentiment. Okay, how should I cross that? Up. Ah, no. Okay, I forgot. Nice. Got it. Spicy bun. Okay. Okay, where's the... Is there any other ones? Oh, okay. There is one. Right there. Another one for drink. Nice. Many health items I need for the upcoming bosses I need to battle with. Okay, nice. That was kind of easy. At least I can figure out the puzzles there. Greetings, Seeker. I have to keep watch on the harbor and protect our citizens, so please excuse me. Alright. Wait, is there any other treasures here? Okay. Yar, the sea sounds restless. A storm is afoot. Oh dear, how can I talk to this NPC? Okay. Looks like this guy. Hey girl, check this out. Oh! Sweet moves, huh? I'm sure you can rock them railings too. Wanna try some moves? Try to reach them boxes back there without touching the ground. Just ollie up the box here and start grinding those rails. What do you say, ready to style? Okay, I will. Silly dog, show me what you've got. What you got? What the hell is this? Learn how to view and track your quest. Okay. Focus on the quest details on the left. Okay, skater boy. You can see more details by selecting a quest. Logistics 6. Press B to mark a quest as favorite. You can mark any number of quests. You can cycle through the quest or the task of mark quests outside the menu menu with Q and E. Okay? No. Let's go. Wipe out, what a bummer. Oh dear. Let's go. Okay. That was so funny. Okay, this is a long one, eh? Without touching the wire, the ground. So hello there, Missy. Hi. Oh, hey. Did you actually come all the way here to talk to me? That's nice, but I actually prefer to be alone right now. That's why I'm here. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's go. Let's do it seriously now. At least I talk to the NPC. Oh man, this is so hard to focus up. I know this is the easiest quest for now, but I think this is the hardest for me. Okay, let's do it. Without touching the ground. There you go, kill it, sweet. Come back here to get your reward. Oh yeah, that was sick, girl. Hi. May your mushrooms always be sauteed and your onions always be grilled, gravy, girl. Nice, nice. This is so cool. Oh, this game. I love it. But with the flavors of Sword Art Online. Sword Art Online style. Hey there, Seeker. You can make yourself comfortable but you better also order something. Hi. So what What should I order? This is so sick. I never thought I would have this game. Oh man, this is so cool. There you go. Oh, okay, that's a good one. I like that. Hey, over here. Look at these old style buildings. It's like we are in some kind of medieval fantasy world. No? So right now, I'm waiting here to meet a friend. But I haven't seen him so far. There are just many people here. Holero. Yeah! Yeah! Sakle bro. Was that really necessary? Yes, very necessary. I see you brought a friend. Ah, that's Leia. I met her during the tutorial. Hi. And this Dark Lord mini here is Lucas. No, also known as Schneider. Nice to meet you, Leia. So you finally reached the crossroad. Okay. Having fun so far. We innominate. Wait, crossroad? The mainland, you'll get the idea once you see the map. Anyway, this is Rookie Harbor. It's known for the incoming shipments of rookies like you. It's also a fairly big place which tends to be confusing for said rookies. So I thought I'd give you a small tour. Très bien, lead the way. How info? First, the info building. If you really want to dig into all the details of Crossworlds, this is your place. Combat arts, skills, all the stats. From A to Z, you name it. Oh, that's the nerd hub, right? Yeah, people call it that. Okay, let's go there. Frankly, it's a good thing to know about all that stuff. Okay, this is German, I think, or Austrian, something. But it's not mandatory. It's just a place to go back whenever you're confused about something. Let's move on. By the way, Eliminator, nice one. I know. What's Schneider supposed to mean? I'm a tri-blader, I cut things. Alright, next stop, the town center. Oh, is that a market over there? Yep. You'll find most of the traders around here. Well, they're all over the place, to be frank. Those traders offer pretty good equipment. The catch, you first need to collect all the required trade items in the wild. It takes time, but it's worth it. Further up is another important building this way. Wait. I got things what? Not worth explaining. Oh. Wait, where's the info thingy? Wait, let's go back for now. Okay, let's... All that water makes you want to jump right onto it. Not sure I do that with your amount of armor. Also, you just dissolve and respawn. Killjoy. Okay, can talk to this one. Oh man, this is so small. Welcome to Rookie Harbor. I swear there was I swear there was an entrance here. Ooh, stupid you! You got all. Okay. Greetings, Seeker. If you desire more in-depth knowledge about your abilities, talk to our experts around here. Also, you can reset your skills using a circuit override using the circuit reset terminal downstairs. Thank you very much. Hi. Good day, mate. Oh, Virgie. I'm the tech professional specialist of circuits and other things. I can speak English. Seekers like you are utilizing advanced BioLink the hardware to draw powers from the trap. If you wanna know more about the applications, just shoot your questions. Circuit functionality. Well, to improve your circuit, you need to collect circuit points. You can get circuit points by growing your level and from some special artifacts that sometimes get awarded to dutiful seekers. If you have circuit points, you can use them in one of your circuits, either neutral or one of the elements. If you have any skill nodes, need to be connected to the center and have one of 3 levels. Higher levels tend to be more powerful but also need more circuit points to activate. Skills on branches can be switched at any time without a cost. The rest you gonna do full reset at the terminals downstairs. More questions? Yeah. Different circuits. Okay. See, as you grow as a seeker, you will wield up to 4 elements in addition to neutral. Each of them have their own circuit that only empowers you with the right elemental mode. An exception is the neutral circuit that represents the very core of your circuit board. The activated nodes on the neutral circuit also empower elemental modes with 50% of their values. More questions? Some modifiers can be tricky. Which one confuses you? Okay. The Iron Stance modifier lets you ignore the stun and knockback from attacks, so you can just keep on fighting. Though, you can only ignore attacks up to a certain limit depending on their damage. The maximum damage you can ignore is the Iron Stance percentage of the max HP value. So a fighter with 1000 max HP and 10% Iron Stance can ignore all attacks 100 damage or less. Obviously, it's more reliable against many small attacks compared to powerful hits. And without a decent defense and max XP, you won't find it very useful either. Other modes? Oh no. Okay, nothing. Thank you. Alrighty, come again whenever you're confused about skills and the like. Hi. Yes, what is it? There's you interrupt my science. Oh, it is a seeker. Oh well. You might be worthy of my knowledge. You must know I am the greatest expert of elemental science in all of Southern Rookie Harbor. Give me all your binary questions and let me enlighten you. Nothing. I know this a little. Okay. Be greeted, Seeker. I am Miss Lee, grand niece of the Great Master Sensei. The art of combat flowing through our lineage long before Seekers were even a mere thought. Oh man, I can speak. All that wisdom can be yours if you are willing to learn. No need. Fine, come back when you desire guidance again. But where can I get some quest though? Oh man. Hi. Hey there. You seem kinda lost. If you're waiting for somebody, this is the right spot. Pretty much everyone here is waiting for new players arriving from Cross Central. It's a popular meetup spot. You seem to be a new player too, so you know what I mean, right? You're a quiet ones, I see. They are late. Come on, relax there. There's still time. The rate is scheduled in 10 minutes. Nothing's planned. It's going to be a mess. Be serious about it. It's supposed to be fun, remember? Oh, what the? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Hi. Hey. Something the matter? Oh well, ever notice how that tree has fruit? I heard those are not instant matter but actual fruit. I wonder how they taste. Oh well, it's not like you can eat real life fruit as an avatar. Okay. Well, you are stupid. Thank you. See that building up there? That's the Seeker Hub or Quest Hub. Surprise, you'll find a lot of quests there. Just like in any other places in town elsewhere. All those quests are optional but the rewards usually make it worthwhile. Hey Leia, are you still with us? We. She's a quiet one. But she was really fast at the tutorial. Almost beat me to it. Well, like they say, stale waters run deep, right? What about that main quest? They kept talking about the Trap of the Asians. Oh right, I almost forgot about that. You'll have to enter the quest hub anyway. There's a mandatory introduction for all new farriers. They'll explain all about it there. I suggest you go in right away and just get over it. I'll just wait here. Di ako. Let's go, Leia. Okay, what should I do here? It's nice. I'm gonna go through the market later. Cooling veil. Recruit scope. Mogger's blade. Civilian trigger. Defense. Uy. Oh, good. Okay, just set. This okay, thank you. Castian course. Okay. Fleepy sandals. This is better, but this is more better. I need autumn leaves. Azure black dragon fruit. Okay, 79. Oh, this is better. Let's search more. Cord. Drill. Okay, boomwalkers. I should get that too. Metal needles. Junk metal. Alcohol scraps. Okay. Assault vest. Okay. Okay. Resistance. That was. Okay. Spiky jacket. What was better? This one. Oh, this is better. Okay, thank you for that. Oh, okay, what was this guy? Okay, nothing. Okay, another one. Student's bandana. Chili monochrome. Then, oh, okay. Oh, this is better. Okay. Clear. Okay, this is better. Feline balls. Boots. Okay. Good day. Do you have by chance have any sandwiches for sale? Yep, only 2,500 credits. 2,500 credits. Should I wrap it up for you? 2,500 credits. I gotta go. Why do they always run away? My wares are top notch, right? Hi, make it quick. I think I'm gonna close soon and head up to the bar. Oh dear, nope. I am not going to buy that for just a sandwich. No. Good day. I appreciate your desire to work for us, but you should get your official faction briefing in the Seeker Central first. It is on the ground floor of this huge building here. I know. Okay, nope, stupid me. Okay, nice. Hey, you reach this spot, not bad. No reason to hold back, go claim your prize. Nice. Senbe. Thank you very much. What was this? Hello Seeker, welcome to the headquarters of the First Fruits of Autumn. If you are interested in advancing humanity's understanding of this planet, talk to the chief food keeper. He should currently be studying the local plant life in our gardens. Oh, so this is all about. Okay. Welcome to our humble garden, Seeker. I appreciate your interest in our work, but you should be. Oh, okay. On the ground floor is an introduction to the different branches of the great tree that is human civilization. It is mandatory for receiving assignments to Paramas or any other branch in Rookie Harbor. Okay, I should do it. I will go to the quest hub first. Oh, I almost said guild. Oh, too much consumption of the Isekai world. Whoa, such a crowded place. All new recruits, please go to the upper floor for the introductory briefing. Where should I go? Come on, I want to go. Hush, I almost got it. You already said that 5 minutes ago. Blame that mess up search interface. Okay, this here. Okay, upper floor. Mon Dieu, look at this. Welcome to Operation Truck Walker Recruit. This briefing serves as introduction to the history of this place and the nature of our case. We're currently located on the natural satellite Shadun. This place was once inhabited by intelligent life forms that we are referred to as the Ancients. While the Ancients used to exist a long time ago, they left behind a technological heritage to behold. The track of the Ancients. Originally, it served as an assessment of social standing within the ancient cultures. It is a technological marvel, a highly advanced and self-sufficient system that remains intact to this day. It wasn't long after humankind arrived on Shadun that we realized its value. Thus, we initiated Operation Truck Walker. We augmented the truck so that humanity might walk it as well. And that is where you come in, Nuclear Tool. Together with the other seekers, you will start the journey along the track of the Ancients. Your path will be paved with obstacles, but every step you take will further our cause. Discovering the secrets of the Ancients. Your main task will be the collection of 4 elements: heat, cold, shock, and wave. Beginning with the element heat, your first destination will be the village of Bergen. To reach it, you need to pass the western barrier of Brookie Harbor. I will now give you your first aid to grant you passage to the west. Okay. Finally, I will give you the disc of insight. This device will record all the knowledge you encounter on your journey. Okay, thank you. That is all. Good luck and stay vigilant. Okay, I will end this now. Wow. Wow, now that was funky. Suddenly, I was in the middle of space and this old geezer kept talking to me. Same for you. I suppose they wanted to pep up the boring introduction mo. We track of the ancient cities. Let's go back to Lucas is waiting. By the way, Leia, I took the liberty of adding few more entries to your encyclopedia. For example, of past events and people we have met so far. And a few insights on the technology, of course. But I just like to organize things. Woo, this is the end of the playthrough for now, of the episode for now. Thank you for watching, everyone, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it and banish all their fears. Sing a ta-row-row and a row-row-row for the British Grenadiers.